Hi. I am Subham. Welcome back to my channel with another video. Today I am on Nifty future chart. Check out the chart first. Check out the CCI on 30 minutes chart. You can see a breakout level, but how can we read this? And what is the pattern? Here you can see the head and shoulders pattern. Which is showing a breakout beautifully. Near 70 to 80 points gain from Nifty with this tricks. Now check the Bank Nifty chart. CCI showing a breakout which called a horizontal breakout. Check the price and you can see near 150 points plus profit. All are with CCI tricks. That's all for the day. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share it to your nearest one. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more live tricks and updates.